Have you ever wondered how Linux administrators monitor and manage system performance in real time? Well, there's a tool that's absolutely essential to their toolkit, the top command. This handy command provides a dynamic, real-time view of a system's processes. It's like having a live dashboard, constantly updating with information about CPU usage, memory usage, running processes, and much more. And because it's real-time, it allows administrators to quickly identify and respond to performance issues. But that's not all. The top command doesn't just observe, it takes action. From its interface, you can manage running processes, sending signals to stop or restart them, changing their priorities, and even terminating those that are unresponsive or causing problems. Imagine a program is hogging all the memory, slowing everything down. With top, you can identify the culprit, see exactly how much memory it's consuming, and terminate it right there and then. It's like having a security guard who can spot troublemakers and escort them out of the premises. And top doesn't just provide a bird's-eye view of system performance, it lets you zoom in on the details. It allows you to sort processes based on various criteria like CPU usage, memory usage, or process ID. You can also filter processes based on specific criteria, letting you focus on particular aspects of system performance. In a multi-user environment, top really comes into its own. It can display processes for specific users or groups. If you're trying to figure out who's been hogging the server resources, top is your detective. And there's more. Top can be used to perform a quick system health check. It's like a doctor who can take the pulse of your system, spotting anomalies and potential issues before they become critical. When the system slows down or experiences performance issues, top can help identify the problematic processes. It's a troubleshooter, helping administrators to take corrective action. So, in essence, the top command is a vital tool for Linux administrators. It's a real-time system monitor, a process manager, a resource utilization detector, a sorter and filterer of processes, a user and group viewer, a system health checker, and a performance troubleshooter. It's an indispensable utility for maintaining the health and efficiency of Linux servers and workstations. So next time you hear about Linux administration, remember the top command. It's the unsung hero working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly.